and welcome back to today's tutorial where we will be taking you through creating a gorgeous pink and red buttercream cupcake. I'm Yvette and whilst I've had the pleasure of creating hundreds of wedding and celebration cakes, my focus is to now help you master the basics of cake decorating so you too can go on to enjoying creating your own masterpieces. So before we start, go and hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you don't miss a new episode. Today we are starting with our cupcake covered in a small amount of red buttercream frosting. We're using our signature buttercream, which is an American style frosting and is available on our website if you're wanting an easy to make and stable buttercream. If you check in the description below, you'll find the link, or DM us the word buttercream on Instagram and we'll send it over. Now we have some dark pink buttercream in our piping bag, which has a loyal 127 petal tip attached. Start off to the side of your cupcake and pipe a small cone shape for the center of our flower. Always make sure the thin closed end of the piping tip is pointing up and the wider end is against the cupcake. Then start piping your petals around this center by making small arch-shaped movements, continuously going around, overlapping the petals as you go. Pipe a couple of rows until you reach an outside edge of your cupcake. Next, we're using our red buttercream with the loyal 1E tip attached, and we're going to pipe small stars around the flower using a simple squeeze and release technique on our piping bag. Lastly, we finish off the design by piping smaller stars with our lighter pink buttercream and a number 32 piping tip until the cupcake is fully covered. For the finer details, we add in some deluxe sprinkles. These are from the Sprinkle Co, but you can use your choice of sprinkles. If you need to order any supplies, you can get all the piping tips, the bags and the colours from Caker's Warehouse and save 10% off your order just by using our code Enchanted10 at checkout. And there you have another design to add to your collection of cupcakes. We hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. So please take a moment, leave a comment or share this episode with a friend. And if you haven't already, go and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. Thanks for being here today and we'll see you next time. Happy decorating!